Hello everyone and welcome back to Vocabtoons. It is great to be here again, and to all our amazing viewers and subscribers, thank you for tuning in today. Before I start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please remember to subscribe to our channel, share this episode with your friends who are also learning, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. Again, feel free to leave a comment so we know where you are watching us from and how much you enjoy our episodes. Hey there, language learners! Ever been puzzled about when exactly to use the present perfect tense? You're not alone. This confusion is pretty common, but mastering the present perfect can really enhance your communication skills. Imagine being able to express completed actions or experiences with clarity and confidence. In today's video, we're diving deep into the present perfect tense, unraveling its mysteries and helping you communicate more effectively in English. So, what exactly is the present perfect tense? Simply put, it's a way to link the past to the present. We use it to talk about actions completed at some indefinite time. It's crucial for English communication because it helps us express experiences, changes, and ongoing situations. Unlike the past simple, which deals with specific past times, the present perfect often focuses on the result or consequence in the present. We form the present perfect using have or has plus the past participle of the verb. Here's how it works. For affirmative statements like I have finished or she has worked, the structure is simple and effective. To make negative statements, simply add not, such as I have not finished or she has not worked. And for questions, flip it around. Have you finished or has she worked? This structure helps you communicate completed actions without specifying exactly when they happened. Now, when should you use the present perfect tense? It's perfect for expressing actions completed at some point in the past, but the exact time isn't important. Use it to share life experiences, like things you've done at least once. It's also great for speaking about changes over time or situations that continue into the present, helping your audience see a bigger picture of your experiences. So, how does the present perfect compare to the past simple? The key difference is the emphasis on indefinite versus definite time. The past simple is used for actions that are completed at specific times, like I visited Paris last year. On the other hand, the present perfect would be for highlighting the experience without saying when, like I have visited Paris. Know when to use each one to effectively convey your past experiences. Let's address some common mistakes. One frequent challenge is using time expressions wrongly, like yesterday or last year, which should be used with past simple rather than present perfect. Another mistake is confusing present perfect with past simple, leading to misunderstandings. Lastly, make sure your subject and verb agree properly, avoiding mistakes like she have worked. Remember, practice makes perfect. Time to practice. Let's put this into action with some interactive exercises. I'll give you an example sentence like I have completed the assignment, and you try to form similar sentences. Translate these into your language or use them in everyday conversations. This practice helps strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence in using present perfect. So, how can you master the present perfect? Start by reading books and articles where it's frequently used. Listen to English podcasts or YouTube channels to hear it in context. And consider signing up for language exchange programs or finding conversation partners to practice speaking. These tips will immerse you in the language and enhance your skills. So, there you have it. We've explored the ins and outs of the present perfect tense. Remember to practice regularly and apply it in your conversations. Your dedication to learning will definitely pay off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others eager to learn. Let's continue this journey of mastering English together.